Now let's move on to the second point of the agenda, pre-infusion. Pre-infusion can be set in the technical menu of Giulietta X, and it can be set in, you can set the values for both of groups. That means you can't set values different from group 1 to group 2. To set the pre-infusion, we need to enter the technical menu. To do so, we are going to show you the procedure. You need to scroll the technical menu until you reach the pre-infusion settings, and then you will see that each button corresponds to a type of keyboard. In this case, Giulietta X is equipped with the following keyboard. The K1, that is the button on the left, so the first button on the left, is one espresso. The second button is one coffee. The third button is double espresso. The fourth button is the double coffee. And finally, we have the continuous key that in this case cannot be programmed, hence not set the pre-infusion. We can enter the technical menu. To do so, we need to first of all enter in idle off by pressing K5 and K3. And we see off on the display. Keep pressed the K5 for 10 seconds, and then you will see the first setting of the technical menu. Okay. To navigate through the technical menu, just press K5 until you reach the pre-infusion. Okay. Once you reach the pre-infusion, please check that it is enabled. By default, it is disabled, so to change the status, press either K1 or K2 to enable or disable it. Pre-infusion must be enabled, and then we can move on to setting the pre-infusion. Pre-infusion on means the starting second that you are going to deactivate the solenoid valve. So for each button you can set a starting time, and then afterwards you set all the starting time for each button. You can move on to the pre-infusion off. Pre-infusion off means refers to how long the solenoid valve stops working to activate the pre-infusion. To change the seconds on the display, please use K1 and K2 to adjust the time that you want. And once you are ready to move on to set the other button, press K5 and you will move on.
2.5 for pre-infusion on.
Okay.
Button 1. Coffee.
For coffee, so for the second button, we can once again adjust it and set it as we prefer.
5.
Then, of course, the same procedure goes on for
example, this is 5 seconds, 4 seconds, and 5 seconds the last. 2 coffee.
Okay. Then you move on to pre-infusion off. This time that you set is the time when the solenoid valve is off. So the duration. So if you set, for example, pre-infusion on at 3 seconds and you set the pre-infusion off at 4 seconds, it means that your brewing process starts again at 7 seconds. So 3 plus 4. Then we do the same procedure that we did for pre-infusion on for all the buttons, and then we are going to show you the effect on the brewing process.
2.5, okay. Off, 2 espressos, 4 seconds, 2 coffee, this is 5 seconds.
Finished setting the pre-infusion times, please scroll all the menus to reach once again the status off, and then you're ready to go back to the functioning machine. To do so, you just need to press K3, so you're ready with the normal screen, Ciao Giulietta X. Everything was correctly set. Let's try the first button.
2.5, 2.5.
And then we try also the second group. Now we try also the fourth button, so the double coffee. What we see now is that the pre-infusion works also by using the two groups at different times. So it stays set during the overall functioning of the machine until you reset the machine.
La quantità d'acqua deve essere la stessa.
Once we check that the pre-infusion was set correctly, we can now brew some coffee. The main advantage of Giulietta X is the fact that you can brewing different times, both groups, and you can operate in a much efficient way.